Hi, I'm Amy, and I'll be your Proforce Always Live tutor. Remember, we're here 24/7 to help you get started on your Proforce journey. In this class, we'll demonstrate how to transfer data into Proforce from an existing spreadsheet. There are really only 4 simple steps. In fact, they will sometimes occur automatically for you. Still, it is best to know them all, so you are prepared for anything. Let's start by creating a Proforce-compatible file. Remember, any spreadsheet can be imported. PDF files cannot. So if you are trying to transfer data from an insurance illustration, you must either export it from the insurance company system as a CSV or XLS file, or copy and paste it from the PDF. You can make edits in Proforce, but we recommend deleting any blank or extraneous rows and columns prior to import. Make sure you keep the column headers so you don't have to retype them one by one. Now that you've prepared your spreadsheet file, we're ready to import. Just click the Add or Import button and select the file you just prepared. Then click the Upload button. Most of the time, that is all you will need to do. Sometimes one or more of the column title rows are not automatically formatted as headers. No worries. This is a very easy fix. Just select the text row that you would like to convert. Then right-click and choose Mark as Header Row. Then select the Format Header button. The text rows you marked will be removed from the table and converted into header rows. As long as there are no remaining text cells, you should be ready to analyze. But just to be safe, click the Format Sheet button. This will clean up any extraneous text and blank cells. Now let's take a moment to review. First, we create our spreadsheet and prepare it for import by removing any blank or extraneous rows and columns. Then we import the file into Proforce and check to make sure the column titles were converted into column headers. If not, we mark those as header rows and click Format Header. Then, just to be safe, we also click Format Sheet. Thank you for watching Proforce Always. Remember, we're here for you. Always.